My name is Felix Carrera, and this is my second project, project number two. So let's go first with the grid class, which is the one that I submitted to CY Books. So here are all the attributes here. Um, the default constructor where we should have by default 10 rows, 10 columns, and 25 bumps. Um, Here, these methods, it's t th this populates the bump grid and the count grid, and here we assign the bump grid with the columns and the rows and columns. This is the overloaded constructor, which is the same with these two parameters here, and then we assign the parameters with the attributes from the class, and then as default we put 25 bumps, which is here. And this is just the same as the other. This is another one, overloaded constructor, but this one has three parameters. This one only has two. Only have two. This method just return a copy of the array of the bump grid array. This one the same, return the copy of the uh, count grid array. Here's our the getters. And for this method, it just for the create bump grid method, I just populate the bump grid array with the randomly placed bumps, which is we do it in here, and it uses the random object to generate the random rows and columns. And this is for the bomb placement. This one also ensures that each uh, bomb is placed in a unique location. Then for the for this method, the create count grid, this one populates an array based on the bomb placement. It also calls this method here to count adjustment bombs for each cell. And this method is here in the bottom. I mean, here, this one here, which counts the number of adjustment bombs for a given location, the rows and the columns, and then it interacts with the neighboring cells for the bumps, and increments the count if a bomb is found here. So the valid is valid method. Just check if a given location is valid within the grid boundaries. So the rows should be greater or equal than 0. The rows should be less than the number of rows. And the same for the columns. For the display button method, this one prints T and F. T for the cells that contains a bomb, and F for the cells without the bombs. And yeah, that's all what I have. Let me delete this because we're going to use the main method on the next. Oh, so let me check here for the extra credit. Curate bound grid. Yeah, call the two previous method and create. Yep, should be 25. So I put this 20 here, and let me see. Yeah, and this one also, like when you press zero, when you press like zero in the program, like it likes reveal all the other zeros, and we will check this in the other class, like in the main method. So we already did all this here, and then we are going with the GUI uh, and the swing packages here. Okay. So here we right away extend the JFrame. Here are the attributes that we are going to use. Um, this is the constructor and the parameters there, 1, 2, and 3, where we assign this ones with the one for the class. Also, we call this method just to set up their user interface. Should be good. And this one just to start the game. This one is the method that starts the game. This one creates the like the green grip and place the bombs. This is the frame. So sorry, this is the title. Here we put the title, which should be something like this. Um, Also we create the J button here. This is just for the exit and the layout, the default close operator. Um, and here we create the bundle for each cell and add the action listener, which is here. This one right here. And the pack, it should be around here. Of course, we have to make it visible. This is just for the components, and this is the to center the frame in the screen. And now we'll just go with the create game method. Um, this one creates the game grid and places the bumps randomly. Initialize the bumps and the current grid array with a specific number of array and columns. And also updates the category based on the bumps placement. Let's go with the next update count grid. This one updates the count grid based on the bumps on the places bumps. This one has 2 for loops. It takes the row and columns for of a nearly placed bumps as an input, and then increment the count of adjustment cells for each neighboring cell. Here it's valid. I think we did this one same as in the other class. This one is just to check if the cell is valid with the bounds of the grid. Here's the click listener, and of course, and that implements the action listener. It contains the constructor, to initialize the new a to initialize the row and columns of the clicked cell here. Columns, rows, and columns. And this is the implementation here of the when we click the J button. This one checks if the clicked cell contains a bomb and updates the bottom of text accordingly, and handles also the game over. Also reveals the adjustment cells recurrently if the click cell has no adjustments bombs. Okay. Yeah, this is just to reveal the adjustment cells. Here it's the for the game over. Here for the game over, we should let's see. Here we go. The message. If you want to play, if you want to play it again. If it's yes, it's going to restart the game again. If not, it's going to close and exit the application. And this is just to reset the game here. And that should be all. So this is the main method, what we call it, and we create the game with the desired dimension, which is 10 by 10, which is the 10 rows and the 10 columns. So let's see. Okay. I don't know why it's showing it's an error here, but let's see. Here is the title. Alright, so here, this one here. Oh, let's make it bigger. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yeah, 10. And now let's see. Let's test that. It should reveals all the zeros if you click the zero. Let's see. Yeah, this one it was a zero, so it revealed all the zeros. You see, this one was a zero, and then it reveal everything here. Let's see if I can win. Let's see here. Oh, gain some or you lost, and then when you click OK, it should say if you want to play it again. If you want to play it again, you click yes. It's going to restart, and then let's see. Oh, and it plays no, and it's going to exit. Let's go here. Let's do it again. Okay, I press 0 here. Oh, yep. And let's see if I can win something here. Yep, see here, here, 0, here. Oh, you lost. Anyways, but this is all what I have. And I just click no. So that was my project, and then thank you for everything. Bye.